All right, so look here now. Produce wants to test our memory, right? Mine is very bad, very bad. 7 objects on the table. Neville's is good though. We have 5 seconds to. It's true.
You know what them call that? Commentators curse. So you see that you say it good.
blight you.
I'm going to forget everything.
Then that not nice? We have 5 seconds to look at what's on the table. And then close our eyes, turn around, and then Nefrel is going to rearrange everything, and then I have to come back and put it back in the order.
Okay, no, you look at it, I'm going to rearrange it, turn on and come back, right? No, look at it.
Let me say a while
No, because you say you have to turn your back and I'm going to rearrange it. So you're not going to see it. So watch me rearrange it, then turn your back and turn around. So you have 5 seconds, you understand?
All right, go on, do your thing. Do your thing.
You have 5 seconds to look at that, turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
You give me 5 seconds.
Turn around.
When 5 seconds start.
You use your head.
I don't remember
turn round
on the table.
And don't turn back yet. Come now. But I don't even remember how it is. When did you get a picture?
Neither.
Delia get a, Delia. Jody got a picture. All right.
Oh, Ja. I don't remember where we started. My short-term memory is very bad, you know. Do your thing. This name, Wing It, Simmer. This is most certainly incorrect.
George, that right?
Of course it's wrong.
They have a picture of it?
Shane?
All right, show me the right one now.
I'm going into Shane after this again.
Show me the...
Who has it still?
Oh, them never take a picture.
So what was their name?
I don't know.
But Jesus.
Them no.
Take the case and give it to
you. You switch.
Joe, what was there? Yeah.
Hold on, wait.
Then the orange.
Oh, the apple?
Then the apple.
Oh.
Then the pink. Then the cube thing. And it's correct the rest of it.
So me get 2 wrong?
No,
so does that mean I get...
All right, fix up now and make them take the picture. I will turn around and then come back. Change it up so I can see it.
Are you rushing me?
Kinda. No, I would never rush you. Wait, no. 5, 4, 3. No, you can't do it after I start to count. 5. Sim. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No. You look again, you two thief. Stay rather. I don't trust him as far as I can flang him, because he's a crook. Ready, Papi?
Ready?
See. Was the can first? It wasn't. It wrong? I'm telling you, this game is ridiculous. Like, you can't remember.
Of course it was.
No.
What was first, Jobo?
First.
Hold on. If it was wrong, it's this then.
No. Wrong again.
What was first?
Green bottle. Orange.
Wait, now show me. All right. I went going there.
Jody, when we're finished, we're going in.
Oh, see it there?
Oh, wow. So it was the green bottle, then the orange. And
Almost get it, you know. Almost get it, don't it?
Almost as
Wait, no, because this is the fella who throw me out, you know. This little fella. Yo.
Little fella?
One more round. Come again now.
All right. I don't like this game.
Wait, no? All right. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn around. Well, it's like say I work with Jody, you know. And
No.
Marvin behind her. Marvin there for that thing. So
Only thing that wrong is these two, and I can't remember which one belongs to.
It's only one thing I get wrong, you know. Well, there you go.
Shane, I wasn't finished. I'm coming into Shane again, you know, because
Come on.
Shane is not learning. Can I see what it was then?
Them never get it, so how you know she wrong?
Jobo, am I wrong?
Eh? It was green, purple. Okay. Okay.
Are you sure?
It's them telling me.
Wow. That's incredible.
Well, a while ago, it's one thing I get wrong, you know. One.
It was still wrong.
All right, come again.
According to your picture, this is also wrong.
Come now.
See, only telling us. So what is right, Jobo?
Green,
Yeah.
orange,
Orange, apple.
green, block, purple, red.
None of that me did do.
No.
That's exactly what I did.
No. Come now.
Never fight me out.
Do it again now.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Five,
You don't done yet.
Four.
You don't done yet.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What? What you say? Oh.
Stop looking at the table.
Ready?
Come here for real.
Ready?
Yes. Dum 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 dum.
It's either this or apple. It's either this or apple. It's either this
Hey.
or apple. I think it's apple.
Whoa! Oh,
I don't done yet.
Shane.
I don't done, Shane.
We're gonna go in for him after this. Don't worry. I'm gonna deal with Shane after this. What was there? Oh, here we go. Orange, fruit punch, then the cube,
You know that me say it is either
then
this or.
this,
You know, me say either this or the apple.
tin, then the green juice. Put the tin over here. That just goes to show you that our memories are ridiculous because we're looking at it.
But this is not easy to do though.
No,
It's not easy to do. It's not easy to
not
do.
at all.
I remember what you call the thing like when you're giving an icebreaker. Someone came to school once with the kids. So you have to give me 3 things about yourself. You know, I'm Simone, I live in Kingston, I work at TVJ.
You add on.
Then the next person, I'm Neville, I live in Mandeville and I work at TV. So and then you have to remember what you said, then remember what me said. Well, you know, after the second man, me said so. I say, I wait, me say again.
But this is a good test of, I don't know if this was necessarily something to smile about because Neville and I have nothing to smile about.
No,
because
because we never get one right.
everything.
But to be fair, I came closer than...
No, you didn't.
I did, actually.
No, you didn't.
I did. Well, something to smile about.
Leave us very sad this
My
morning.
father said, smaddy.
All right,
No, sir,
come.
me I go for that, man.
this is
We soon
foolish.
come here, man. No, man, me I go for that.